Xumo TV streams content via the internet, requiring a stable Wi-Fi connection. First, ensure your smart TV or streaming device like Roku, Fire TV, or Apple TV is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Navigate to the device's settings menu. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list and enter the password. Xumo TV recommends at least 10 Mbps for SD, 25 Mbps for HD, and 50 Mbps for 4K streaming. Make sure to download the Xumo TV app and launch it. Experiencing buffering? Position your device closer to the router and minimize interference from microwaves or thick walls. Use WPA3 encryption for secure Wi-Fi. For slow rural Wi-Fi under 5 Mbps, consider a Wi-Fi extender. On crowded networks, switch to the 5 GHz band and enable router band steering. Ensure both your device and router have the latest firmware. If problems persist, reboot your router. Use Xumo TV's support portal, Connectivity Wizard, to diagnose issues. If connecting through mobile hotspot, you may experience a slower connection or higher data consumption, which will result in higher costs.